Welcome to the next tutorial. Today we're going to take a detailed look at how you can browse for vehicles on our platform. To view the cars available on the Fasinii platform, your journey starts on our homepage. Step 1. To begin, we first explore the Trending Cars section featured on our homepage. Here, you'll discover the latest and most sought out after cars in Nairobi. Each car listing comes complete with the location of the car rental, an image of the car, and the car type. Furthermore, it comes with 3 key details. These details highlight 3 important main features of the vehicle, those being the maximum rental duration, the minimum rental duration, and whether the vehicle is available for self-drive or if it comes chauffeured. Step 2. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice our pre-made filters designed to make your search more precise. The first one you will see is the option to search for a vehicle by its type. Imagine you're interested in SUVs. A simple click on the SUV filter will instantly refine your search, showcasing all available SUV options on our platform. But what if you have a particular city in mind for your car rental? No problem. As you scroll down a little more, you will see our other filter option where you get to view the cars by city. Once you choose your preferred location, Fasinii will display all available cars within your chosen city, making it easy to find the perfect vehicle for your specific location. For those who want a comprehensive view of all the vehicles available on our platform, you can go to the View Cars option at the top of our page. This will grant you access to a complete list of vehicles all waiting to be explored. Once you have identified a car that captures your interest, simply click on it. This action will transport you to a detailed page dedicated to that specific vehicle. Here you will find an array of information including the car's name, the year it was made, and a captivating gallery featuring pictures of the interior and the exterior of the vehicle. You can even click on these images to view them up close. Continuing your journey down the detailed car page, you will discover valuable insights such as the rental price, additional key details about the car such as if the seats are leather or if the car has Bluetooth. In addition to that, you can see a comprehensive description of the car, details about the host, the rental conditions to consider, and even reviews left by previous renters. That's the comprehensive breakdown for browsing vehicles on the Fasinii platform. Next time, we'll be showing you how to book a vehicle through our platform. Happy browsing and happy renting.